Hello, my dear students. I am Mukesh Kumar Ojha. I am faculty of Maths. I am teaching in this St. Mary Academy. I am taking your class 7th, chapter 3, decimal. First of one question arises, what is decimal fraction? A fraction whose denominator is 10 or higher, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. That is called decimal fraction. For example, 8 by 10, 7 by 100, 9 by 1000 and so on. Second, decimal number has two parts. First, whole number parts and second, decimal parts. For example, 3.57. 3 is a whole number part, and 57 is decimal part. And always we rectify after point not narrated 57, after decimal always reading 57. Next, place value chart of a decimal number. First of all, point and left side whole number and right side decimal number. For example, ones, tens, 100. After decimal, 1 by 10th, 100th and 1000th. Expanded form. By using place value chart, expand any decimal number. For example, 768.198. First of all, 7, 1, tens and 100. 7 into 100, 6, 1, 10, 6 into 10 and 8 ones, 8 into ones. Plus point, 10th, 1 into 1 by 10th plus 100, 9, 100th, 9 into 1 by 100 and 8,000. Hence 700 plus 60 plus 8 plus 1 by 10th plus 1 by 9 by 100 plus 8 by 100. Next, conversion of decimal to fraction. For example, 4.56, a decimal number. First of all, 4.56 by erase point, and for point 1 and after point 2 digit, then 2 0 in denominator, and hence divided by 100, then 114 by 25. It's a smallest form. Next, 6.5, same as erase decimal and 1, and after decimal 1 digit, then 1 0 in denominator, then 13 by 2. Next, conversion of fraction to decimal. For example, 13 by 100. Denominators number of 0, 1 and 2. Hence, starting from right and gone 2 digit in left, 1 and 2, and then put point. Second, 5 by 1000. Number of 0, 1, 2 and 3. Starting right and gone 3 step left side, 1, 2 and 3, and then put point. Again, next example, 7 by 20. First of all, denominator change into 10, 100, 0, 1000 and rest. To 20 multiplied by 5, then 100, 5 divided by denominator, hence 5 divided by numerator. 85 by 100, then 2, number of 0 2, then starting from right and 2 step to left side to 0.85. Next, like fraction and like decimal and unlike decimal. If two or more decimal have the same number of decimal places, they are called like decimal, otherwise unlike decimal. For example, 17.06, 25.16, 3.25. After decimal, number of digit is equal 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Then after decimal number of digit is equal, then decimal is called like decimal. And second example, 3.67, 5.375, 9.6. And after decimal number of digit 1 and 2, after decimal number of digit 1, 2 and 3, after decimal number of digit 1. Hence in this questions, after decimal number of digit is different, so it's unlike decimal. Next topic, conversion of unlike decimal to like decimal. For example, 3.5, 9.25, 36.295, 831.2165. First of all, we observe maximum number of decimal place. The maximum number of decimal place is 4. Hence, first all convert into like decimal. That means after decimal number of places is equal, number of digit is equal. 3.5, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 equal 2 5, then put 2 0, 1 2 3 4, 295, put 1 0, 1 2 3 4, and alls are in like, converted into like fraction. Then comparison, converted into like fractions. Next topic, comparison of decimal. Comparison of decimal. 5.67 and 6.75. We know that decimal have two parts, whole number parts and decimal parts. So first of all, we compared whole number parts. The whole number parts 5 and whole number parts 6. 5 is less than 6, hence 5.67 is less than 6.75. Next example, 7.34, 9.5, 3.25, 10.67, 1.9, arranged in ascending order. First of all, converted into like decimal. 7.34 after decimal 2 digit, 9.5 only 1 digit, then convert in put 1 0 and convert into like decimal. Same as rest other, 3.25, 10.67, 1.90. And first of all, we compared whole number parts. The whole number parts 7, 9, 3, 10 and 1, and minimum value 1 and shortest value 1.90. And next 3.25, and then after 7.34, and then after 9.50, and then 10.67, hence arranging ascending order. Next 3.2, 3.65, 3.10, 3.25, 6. Whole number are same, but after point decimal digits are different. First of all, in converted into like decimal, 3.200. So we first check after point first digit, first digit 2, first digit 6, first digit 1, first digit 2. Then first lesser value 1, hence 3.10 is smaller. Next 3.200 and 3.2, one value is same, then second value 0 and 5, then a smaller 20, 3.200. Next 3.2, 5, 6 and next 3.6 is greatest value, hence arrange in ascending order. Next, addition of decimal. For example, 5.97, 20.199, 256.1 and 0.9. First of all, convert into like fraction. 5.970, 20.199 plus 256.800 plus 0.900 and arrange in tabular form. 5.970, 20.199, then adding the values 986.283, and second point, subtracting of decimal. For example, 25.96 from 84.5. 84.5, first of all convert into like fraction. 84.50 subtracted 2.5, then value 58.54. Next, multiplication of decimal. 3.69 into 10 is equal to 3.69 by 100 into 10 is equal to 36.9. Then multiplied into 100 and shift one place by right side. Second, 3.875 into 100, then shift multiplied into 100, then shifted by 2 place right side, and multiplied into 100, then shift by 3 place into right side. Second, clear? First of all, multiplication value multiplied into 10, then 1 place shift into right side, multiplied by 100, then 2 place shift into right side, and multiplied by 1000, then 3 place shift right side, same as multiplied by 10,000, 4 place shift into right side. Next, 5.36 into 9. First of all, same as simple number 536 multiplied by 9, then value is 4826, and point after point number of digit 1 and 2, hence total number starting from right, then 2 digit gone on left side, then put the decimal, then 48.24. Next, 4.1, that means decimal multiplied by a whole number. Next, 4.18 into 7.6 is equal to 31.768. Because 418 is multiplied by 76, then 31,716, and number of digit counted after number of digit 1 and after number of digit 2 and 1 3, then before starting from right side and gone 3 step by left side and put the decimal value, hence 31.768. Next, division of decimal number. 6.5 divided by 100, divided by 100, 6.5 divided by 100, that means 100 and start 0, 65 and 6.02, that means 2 step gone into left side. In multiplication, right side, and division, in division gone left side 2 step when divided by 100. When divided by 10, then 1 step gone on left side. First 3.56, then 0.356. Next, 592.38 divided by 16, and value 3702 and 3702, and number of value 1, 2 and 3, then 37.024. For example, 6.4 divided by 1.6, and decimal decimal divided by decimal, and decimal divided by whole number, and decimal divided by decimal. Then number of digit place is equal, then cancel, hence 16 is divided by 64, then value is 4. 64 divided by 16, 64 is divided by 16, then value is 4, hence clear. So all of point clears. That's all. Thank you.